Right, so this short video pretty much demonstrates how to change the HEPA flow bags from your Henry Hoover or vacuum cleaner. So I'll be pretty much taking out the filter, the top filter, from the vacuum cleaner, and changing the bag um, that's filled up, with dirt, and replacing it with a brand new bag. So I would undo the clips, just on both sides of the vacuum cleaner to remove the top head. It's got a handle, so I'd lift up the head of the vacuum cleaner and take out the top filter. Okay, it's important that the filter is kept clean, otherwise you'd have suction issues. So this bag is pretty much filled. So I pretty much take it up from the black plastic inlet, sucking pressure, sucking dirt, with pressure into the bag. You can see it's pretty much full. How can you tell that, your bag is due for replacement? You might have, a certain odor or smell whilst vacuuming, or you might not have adequate suction whilst you're vacuuming. Also you check the hose to make sure that you haven't got any dirt, in there prior to changing the bag or after changing the bag. But you can see, that's just the bag there. I haven't got like any conglomerate or cluster of dirt impeding or serving as an impediment to suction pressure or airflow. So that's pretty much fine. I'm happy with that. So and also if you want to replace the hose, if you've got any puncture or wear and tear, you've got the model number. You can, go to the aftermarket, to get a retrofit part, or the original part from the manufacturer, and the red high button just increases suction pressure. That's what it's there for. So let's get on with the activity of changing the bag. So like this is like this pack or this package has got like a pack of 10. So I'll take out one of them bags, the HEPA flow bags, and just put it into the black plastic air suction inlet, that's in the housing of the vacuum. So I just pretty much slide it onto the inlet there, that's protruding in the red plastic basin. Just pretty much align it and just make sure that I pull it down all the way through to meet the inside of the body of the red basin. Okay, or bottom housing. And once that's pretty much done, I would just make sure that I fit back the filter, the top filter. The back's pretty much decent. It's made up of cloth and microfiber, and just make sure that the top filter that I've just placed here isn't dirty, because you might have suction issues. It's always important to include the top filter in case your bag is full and it bursts. You'd have dirt all over the place, and you don't want that, do you? So that's pretty much it, really. You've got the on and off button, and you've also got the high button for increased suction pressure. If you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hopefully catch up with you soon. Goodbye. Thanks for listening. Bye.